All right, I'm going to see how fast we can hook this up. I'm going to go ahead and put in a router here. Whoops. Go ahead and put in the router. A bit. 2 multi-layer switch. Whoops. 2 multi-layer switches. Sorry. Figure this out. Why is that not allowing me to do that? There we go. Okay, and it's on the table. I don't want it down there. Put them there, but all right, so we'll go with 6 end user devices. We'll go ahead and got this. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom in, run it straight. Well, actually, power's on. I think that's 01. Giga Ethernet 01. So the multi-layer switch over here. I'll go ahead and zoom out again. I wouldn't have to zoom out if I was doing this in real. So let me minimize. Where's the... Okay, just try to keep these more life size. Okay, this was working the other day. I feel like this program's sort of inconsistent. Maybe not. Whoops. Let's go this one. We'll label these 1, 2, 3, 4 like we did before. Yeah, I'm getting a feel for these switches. I'm learning what VLANs are so I can break it up. But I'm going to keep all these on the same network. How does that work? Yeah, see, that, like I said, it's inconsistent. Whoa. Yeah, I should have zoomed in. Well, you get the idea. I would have zoomed. I would have run them horizontally. And for all intents and purposes, we're going to do 6 and 1 Wi-Fi. I would have actually run that different. Well, no. Oh, no, maybe. I don't know. Okay, zoom out. So Got all these hardwired in. The router and the switch. Okay, let's go ahead and do a wireless device. Access point. Why can I not set the access point here? Why? Should be able to set it right on the table. And in the real world, I take this. I don't know why I can't run a wireless access point. I'll go ahead and I should be able to at least set it on the table. Okay, so we're going to go to desktop. We're going to this somewhere to 6. Whoops, not command prompt. Hello. We're going to go to IP configuration. We're the normal 2. Okay. We'll do 2 over here. Desktop IP configuration. We're running it static. We'll run this one static. There's only 6, so we don't need a... Oh, I couldn't remember. There we go, 4. 3, 4. We'll do 5 and 6. We're going to keep all these on the same network. Let's try a wireless access point again. Why? This is so weird. Why it won't let me set up an access point? I should be able to run an access point on this network. Okay, so I did this the other day, so I know I can do it. Okay. Oh, this is on Ramen mode. Oh, no, it's not. All right, so let's configure the router. So we go enable the router. Config the terminal. Host name. R1, you got R1, R2. Right. I think it was 0, 1. All right, so it's interface. You could shorthand that gigabit, not bot. Come on. I think it was 0, 1. I'm going by memory. Yeah. Configure if. No shutdown. Change status to up. All right. So that's the router. Now let's go ahead and see if we could run a ping. Okay, let's ping 6. ping. That's the furthest one. Reply, reply. We got all 4 packets. 0% loss. There, we did it. So what's our time? 10 minutes. All right, we'll get faster. We'll get faster. So we got a router set up. We got our switches built into our stack. We got 6 end user devices up here. We configured all of them. I haven't put securities on them. I'm yet to do that yet. We were able to ping them, and I assume, I mean, I could ping all of these as easy as I could ping these. I want to learn to do tracer route. I think that's the command. There we go. Tracing route to 192 all the way to the end, from the first end user device to the end. Tracing route to 192.168.16 over a maximum of 30 hops. 10 millisecond trace complete. So anyway, we're working with learning that. So that's where we're at. And we did that in 11 minutes and 25 seconds. We'll get better.